What is going on, guys? Welcome to another training. Today I'm going to show you how I do keyword research for my YouTube channel. So I'm going to explain you step by step all the softwares that I use and all the things that you need to do in order so you can grow your YouTube channel faster. So check this out. First, I go to Google Trends and I search for the keyword that I want to rank. In this case, is affiliate marketing. I usually choose, for example, YouTube search. Sometimes I use web search. So for this training, I'm going to use YouTube search. So these are the related queries. As you can see here, we have affiliate marketing explain, impact affiliate marketing, how to use TikTok for affiliate marketing. So here I have as well the searches per month. So this data it's given by keywords everywhere. So that is the first software that I use to do keyword search, and this one has a breakout. So you can see here how to use TikTok for affiliate marketing has a breakout as well. 260 searches per month, how to do affiliate marketing on TikTok, 720 searches per month. So I'm going to use the first one, affiliate marketing explain. So the next step is to go to YouTube and write the same keyword, affiliate marketing explain. So we're going to do a quick research. So we're going to see what is going to appear here. So we have some videos. What is affiliate marketing? So we have here. And as you can see in the screen, I have this information. So this is given by the software ToolBuddy. You can see that I have related searches. I have like this information, the search volume, the searches per month. And what I'm going to do right now is that I'm going to click here for the weighted score because I want to play with this keyword by adding more or eliminating keywords. For example, as you can see, this one is poor for my YouTube channel. So right now I have the weighted score. This is for my YouTube channel. The unweighted score is like, so the unweighted score is how good this keyword is to target based on search volume and competition, but the weighted score, so I want to know if this keyword is going to help my YouTube channel to grow faster. And if I use it as it is right now, I'm not going to grow faster. So I'm going to add, for example, 2024 affiliate marketing explain in 2024. So as you can see here, we have an increase in the overall score is 68. So that is so that could work for me. So affiliate marketing explain, I'm going to copy this keyword and I'm going to paste it here, and I'm going to add here the source, which is Google Trend. I'm going to do a live, like explaining this subject in a video. And then let me go here. So this one has a breakout. So I'm going to add here breakout. The searches per month are 720. And here I'm going to add the ToolBuddy score, which is 68. So this is green. Okay, done. So that is basically what I do, guys. And I'm going, and then the next step is to record the video. So in this case, I'm going to do a live training on YouTube and talking about this subject, in which I'm going to explain what is affiliate marketing in 2024. Then the next step is to keep adding more data to this Excel, so I can, for example, use another one, how to use TikTok for affiliate marketing. So I have a TikTok account and I'm using it for affiliate marketing, and I can talk about that subject in another video or a live YouTube video, a live video. So let me go here and how to use TikTok for affiliate marketing. So I'm going to do a keyword research, how to so let's see, we have these videos, TikTok affiliate marketing tutorial step by step. So what we can do here as well is that we can watch all this information, TikTok affiliate marketing full beginner's guide, how to do affiliate marketing on TikTok step by step. Okay, I'm going to go to the information of TubeBuddy to see if this keyword is going to help my YouTube channel grow faster. So one important thing, guys, is to optimize your YouTube video as well. And you can do that by adding this keyword in the description and also in the tags. So as you can see, this one has 42, so it's not that good. I'm going to add 2024. Okay, let's see. So now it's excellent. So I'm going to copy this and I'm going to add this keyword into my Excel. I'm going to paste it. The source is Google Trend. Then what I can do here is I can record a video. I think this one has a breakout. How to use, yeah, this one has a breakout. So I'm going to add here breakout. Searches per month are 260. I'm going to add here the number 260, and the overall score is excellent for me, so 84. Okay, done. So the next step is to record the video and upload that video into my YouTube channel, and that I'm going to do later. So if you have any questions, leave them in the comments. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. Also subscribe to my channel, click the notification bell. Talk to you soon and God bless.